Okay, let's look at the long A sound. Now the long A sound can be written with an AI, as in the words rain, tail, wait, and raisins. It can also be written with an AY, as in the words day, away, say, and crayon. The long A is also written with an E at the end that makes the A say A. For example, the words snake, date, came, and lake. Okay, now that we've seen how we write the long A sound, let's look at reading some words, blending some words with the long A sound. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so let's blend some words that have a long A sound in it. Okay, so we remember that AI says A. So let's blend the word. A, ray, rain. Tail, tail. Also, AY says A. So, a, day. A, say. And a, play. Also, we looked at that E at the end makes the A say A. So let's look at some words like that. A, snake, snake. You see, this E makes that A say A. And another word like that. This E at the end makes the A say A. So it's k, a, k, came. Okay, so that's it for our video on the long A sound. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that now. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.